In this video of Linux basic command, we are going to discuss about some Linux basic command using which you can manage your Linux system. But wait a minute, here is the catch. There are more than thousands of Linux commands. Covering each one of them individually is not possible. So what I am going to do, for a beginner purpose, I will just share 3-4 commands with you, which you can practice with you so that you can get familiar with the environment of the Linux. Then you can move to Linux documentation and my website, where I will post articles about Linux basic command, which you can see and start learning the Linux. So let's get started. There are totally 3 types of OS: Linux, Windows and Mac. Yes, if you are using a Linux OS, then just press Ctrl-Alt-T. When you press Ctrl-Alt-T, you will see a pop-up. That pop-up is called as terminal. There, whatever command I am sharing will work. On Mac OS, just press Command and space, you will see a search button, just search their item. For Windows, don't do anything. Just go and download WSL. I recommend if you are a Windows user, go and use WSL. Now, I am thinking you are the place where terminal is open. But make sure one thing, caps lock is off. Else, whatever you are typing, it will be caps lock on. So the calculator will come, which OS doesn't recognize. Let's go to our first command. The first command is who am I. When I type who am I, there is a command which checks the current user name. Second command is ls. What does ls do? It lists the content of file and folder in the directory or folder where you are present. When you type ls, whatever the folder content will be there inside the particular directory or a folder, it will show you. Similarly, if you want to see in which directory you are, you will type pwd. Pwd tells us what is your present working directory or a folder where you are working on. The third command is mkdir. Mkdir is the way we create a new folder in a Linux environment, or a Mac OS we can use, and you can also use in WSL. The way we can create a new folder. We mostly go to right click and go and new and do, no need to do all the other things. Just write mkdir and folder name, you will get a new folder. The third command is, if you want to go inside the folder, you have to write cd folder name. If you want to create a new file inside a folder, just you have to write touch file name, not extension. These are some basic commands which just gets hands-on getting idea of what Linux command is. So, I think my suggestion here.